It's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever brings us and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before. Oh my soul, I worship Your holy name. I worship Your holy name. I worship Your holy name.
Let's Indian country, all Indian song, my brothers and sisters, I love my country, and I am proud of it. Rich and dedicated, I should always strive to be, but your peace, I share you my parents, teachers, alone members, respect and teach everyone, because the sea to my country. I'm a purple and pledge my devotion in liberty and prosperity along with my happiness.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malaya Shitalam, Sasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayagini, Pullakusumita Drupagara Shobhini, Suhasini, Sumadhuravashini, Sugadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day. Something is better than nothing. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. I am going to speak a few words about a brother and sisters. Penny and Lily are brother and sisters. They are from the same family, but they are very different. Penny likes reading books, but she doesn't like watching TV. Lily watches TV every night, but she doesn't like reading books. She reads the newspaper. Penny likes listening to classical music. Lily listens to piano. She likes playing piano. Penny and Lily are very different, but they feel same about one thing. They are happy to be brother and sisters. Thank you.